Let's start it with a vision.
Create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because
امیدوارم با عشق تمام این مباحث رو پیش ببرید واسه اینه که بیشتر موفق بشید.
Figuring out for yourselves what makes you happy. No matter how crazy it may sound to the people. You keep pushing because you believe in yourself and in your vision.
The very first level is you seeing it, like it's clear to you, like you know exactly what you want. You know exactly what it tastes like. You know what it looks like. You know what it smells like. Before you really blow up, and you get success, you literally have it in the palm of your hand without having it. I don't care what happens in your life. I don't care where you are. Every single day you wake up, if you're going to have energy, if you're going to have passion, if you're going to have drive, every day you wake up, you got to start with that vision.